How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. My name's Shane Jaffe. I am the Manufactured Housing Expert. You can also check out my bio at homequestsales.com. Today, we're going to be taking you through a beautiful single wide built by Silvercrest down in Corona, California, which is just outside Orange County. This home is now located in Edgewood Village, which is a 55-plus community in Auburn, California. Auburn is just an hour to an hour and a half outside of Sacramento on your way to Reno. So we hope you enjoy this one bedroom, one bathroom. It's about 660 square feet. The asking price you are going to see in the middle of the tour. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also, ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new tours. We do premiere new tours on a weekly basis. We also appreciate all the love you can give by hitting that like button. We're here for you. We're here to help you make a more informed decision when purchasing a manufactured home. We hope you enjoy this tour. All right, as you can see as we're walking up here, we have the front steps here at the front of the home. We're still figuring out what we want to do in the front of the home, but we're going to probably build a nice planter. We did add nice shutters on all these dual pane vinyl windows. There's also some beautiful trim. These are Trek steps, so they're going to be much more durable. They're going to last longer than your wood steps. I really love as we get inside this home how it is nice and open. This is a very small home, 660 square feet. So it's tough getting a little kitchen table in there with a nice living room set. We have some beautiful quartz countertops, white appliances, an overhead microwave. All of these cabinets are hardwood and soft closing. As you can see, there's plenty of room to have end tables, a sofa, a TV stand, and so much more. You can even fit a nice round kitchen table in this kitchen and still have plenty of room. Here we are. Now we're in the bedroom. This is a one bedroom, one bathroom. Here's the walk-in shower. I had to shut the toilet there. My apologies. Our toilets are always up. We always need to leave them down, agents. We have some more quartz countertops, porcelain sink. We add a medicine cabinet. Look at that mirror with the trim. Right here, we have room for a stackable washer and dryer. Some people prefer it. Some prefer side by side. Right here to the left, we do have some linen closet space. Closet space in leased lands communities, storage is typically limited, so it's always nice to have as much cabinet and closet space in these homes. This master bedroom is a great size. You can easily fit a king-size bed in here with nightstands and tables, even some dressers. We have this nice mirror wardrobe door. There I am. This is the last video without a gimbal. I promise we will have a gimbal. It's finally going to be shipped here. So this is a very nice sized bedroom. Oh, these floors are linoleum. The asking price of this home is $99,900. It's a great deal. We hope you like this video. See you next time.